Today, court hearings expected to continue in the 1145 Lounge lawsuit after the club's owner was arrested inside the courtroom yesterday. 11 Alive's Ariana Manish joining us this morning. Ariana, so we got to break it down because this arrest here is actually related to an incident that happened back in 2022.
That's right. Good morning, Aisha. We saw the judge halt the hearing and the owner was placed in handcuffs. This situation just piles on top of the other legal issues that the owner is now facing in connection to the possible closing of the 1145 Lounge. More legal troubles for the owner of the 1145 Lounge.
To appear in Superior Court Non-Complex on the bench warrant numbers 23 SC 191727.
Jabril Defay was arrested in the middle of a hearing that stands to determine the fate of the lounge after the judge was informed that he had an active warrant for his arrest for failing to appear in a separate theft case from 2022.
It's not this court's bench warrant, but I have to effectuate it. I can't let you leave.
Defay initially was in court for a hearing stemming from a lawsuit by the city, which aims to shut down the club permanently following a Mother's Day shooting that left 2 people dead and 4 others injured.
It's 6 victims at the time. Yes, 6 victims that had been shot.
During the hearing, officers who responded to the scene and club patrons who were there the night of the shooting walked the court through what happened that night.
Within that time span, all I could think was I need to get up out of here because it's Mother's Day and I got a son myself and I can't be dead.
The city is claiming the club needs to close as it's an epicenter of crime in the area. An Atlanta police officer testified that his team has been called out to the club hundreds of times.
In the last year, from May 2023 to May of 2024, roughly 270 calls for service.
Lawyers for the defense argue most of the crimes that happen aren't taking place inside the club, but outside in the parking lot or nearby. And they've taken responsibility for the deadly shooting by changing safety protocols and temporarily shutting down.
They immediately bought metal detectors and they immediately started to review their safety protocols. Additionally, we came before you last time, we agreed to shut down for additional 60 days.
Now, we saw the family and friends of Mari Creighton, one of the victims killed during that deadly Mother's Day shooting. They were there in support of the city's lawsuit to close that club. Meanwhile, the hearing, it continues today where we expect to hear more testimony. We'll be inside the courtroom and bring you updates as the hearing proceeds. Reporting live from Fulton County, I'm Ariana Manish for 11 Alive. Back to you.
Ariana, thank you. And we've covered this story from the beginning. We have much more on the lawsuit against 1145 Lounge for you right now on 11alive.com.